How much on your track tires?
Chris, your little tractor tires?
100 bucks.
They don't want nothing new. They want,
right.
You know, they don't want to have a ratty looking truck or something with a new muffler. So he's like, oh, these are perfect. Go for it.
You're good.
Strapman.
Yes.
One of them? Yep. 1/4 inch. You must have looked already?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's the last one you had too.
And you figured out her formula?
No.
I thank you.
Thank you.
So I'm right here with the truck project. The boy took it over. He cut the muffler off first thing. I want to see which one of these sounds best. The silver, that's a MagnaFlow. I bought 2 of those yesterday at the car show for $25. The other is a Flowmaster. I've had it for a long time. It was actually on my dune buggy years ago. I'm going to put them both on the truck. And my apologies, it's just a 6-cylinder. Next time we do this test, I'll try to do it on a V8. But we got to go what we got. And the other MagnaFlow is already on. Let's see what it sounds like. I'm kind of leaning towards the Flowmaster. Maybe put a tailpipe on it and save the MagnaFlows for a mower. And then curiosity struck, what if we did Flowmaster and MagnaFlow together? Let's check it out. So I went to a car show yesterday, and at the car show I didn't see a whole lot of mower parts. It's mostly car parts because it's a car show. That's good news and bad news. Bad news, you can't find a lot of mower parts. Good news is you save your money. Anyway, things I did get, knickknacks. These blades, he said they got wet. He can only sell them. They can't sell them as new, so they're $1 for all of those. Same thing with the screwdrivers. They had been wet, $1 each. I got this water pump pulley that goes up on top of your engine. It was $5. You cut a little groove, and you got a pull start. These fuel filters were 3 for $5, and these hooks I saw them for $2 each. Later that I paid, it was 2 for $7, so that's $3.50 each. That one was $2. That was $1.50, and this hook I needed more of this size. It was $2, and that's all I got. Plus a hamburger and a drink and a bottle of water. That's it. And it seems like every time I go to this car show, I'm always picking up chain hooks. This time is no different. Because that in the store would probably be like $9, $10. And I saw them for $2. I should have bought more of them. And so these hooks are handy because I've got this chain. Years ago, I sold 4 Volkswagens to a guy for parts. He gave me the money, then he threw this chain in as a bonus. And I don't really need a 30-foot long chain. So I think I'll cut that link right there and have 2 15-foot chains. And then this little chain only has 1 hook. There we go. So I'm going to make 2 hooks on this chain. Chain improvement number 1 is done. Now let's move on to the other chain. Watch somebody leave in the comments why 30-foot chains are ideal. By the time you watch this, it'll be too late to stop me. Here we go. Gotta get my hair plugs in first. And grab hook number 2 is installed. It is not very car show related. I did see pool balls at the car show, but I didn't buy any. But on Troy number 5, I want to drill through the Q. I took the stock shifter knob off. There's no threads. So I guess when we're epoxying John Deere's on, we can epoxy Troy's on too. I'm going to drill through the Q and put this number 12 on Troy. If you look how dirty it is, it's been sitting here a long time. In the very near future, Troy needs to run. Troy and Motomo. Anyway, let's get this shifter knob on. That'll inspire me to drive it. It almost don't need epoxy. Still car show related, I got to figure out which fuel filter wants to go on Silver Bullet. The little one? Poland has one this size. Let's go with the little one. And car show related, here's a car show screwdriver for $1. So there's the fuel filter fully installed. I'm going to take the 2 new screwdrivers, put them in the screwdriver drawer. $1 each, I should have got more. And the other 2 filters, I'm going to save those in this bag because I know there's a dirt rubber wanting to get in there. I think that's an air tool, it'll crawl it in there. These are for the truck bed trailer. When I go to hook the chains on the car, I got to turn the trailer at an angle so they'll reach. If I put these on, I won't have to do that angle thing anymore. And this, I got to figure out which mower needs a 2-speed pull start. No. Troy maybe? Murray maybe? Murray, it would not work. It would be too tall. Troy? Troy has tons of room. Tons of room. Maybe paint it black, put it right there. Got, what, 7 more inches? Tons of room. And on Troy number 6, if we wanted to put a pull start, even with the engine lift kit, I mean, it would sit 3 or 4 inches lower still, and with the lift kit, there's still room for it. Troy's have plenty of room. Zombie, I don't think Zombie needs one, but there's plenty of room if we wanted to put one. So a while back, my kids dug this hole. They call it quicksand. They've made a few videos, got some views in the quicksand. Let me get this board out of the way. And I don't know how deep it is, but they sink up to their waist in it. I'm gonna see if John Deere wants to go through it. And the good news is John has a winch. What were you saying about a winch? Something idler pulley does not sound right on the way to the mud hole. Let's check it out. Here we go. Alright, let's skip the mud hole for now. John's got an excuse. This feels like today's vlog. Anyway, John, he broke down. I was going to the mud hole. I guess I work on the neighbor's mower. He bought a whole rebuild kit. 2 blades, 4 pulleys, a belt, 2 spindles, and that goes on this Husqvarna deck. I just changed those not long ago. Time to change them again. He goes through a lot of spindles. The good news is, this is his secondary 0 turn. He says I can use it to my grass if I want to. I'll try it out. 23 horse Husqvarna. The deck is all put back together. 4 new pulleys, 2 new spindles, a new belt, new blades. I'm going to grease the spindles, then we can take it for a little test drive right before dark. I did a little test patch. That thing cuts good.